It has been a while since I reviewed a Vivo smartphone, and today I have its newest, a Vivo V40. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 120. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. This is the vanilla of the Vivo V40. It also comes with a Pro variant. Let's check what comes in the box. A Vivo V40, a SIM injector pin, an 80-watt flash charger, a USB-C cable, a TPU case, and documents. It has a premium build design, dual curved glasses, sandwich and aluminium alloy frames, and has a thickness of just 7.58mm. The volume rockers and power buttons are located on the right side. A dual physical SIM trays can be found at the bottom alongside the microphone, USB-C port, and a speaker grill. Unlike its predecessor, the Vivo V40's earpiece serves as a secondary stereo speakers that greatly enhance the overall audio experience. There's another microphone on the top next to the quote Professional Portrait. This tells the Vivo V40 gonna be a portrait camera-centric smartphone. Sports a 6.7-inch 2.8K resolution AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The panel is brighter than my future, boosting a remarkable 4500 nits peak brightness. It also has HDR10+ and Widevine L1 support. The bezels are symmetrical and features an optical in-display fingerprint scanner. Now, come to the cameras. On the rear, it has a big-ass camera bump that houses two 50-megapixel cameras bearing ZEISS Optic logo that previously only available on the Pro or its flagship devices. It is also equipped with a temperature sensor and a unique ring light, which Vivo call Aura Light. Aside providing lighting, of course, the ring lights would automatically adjust the LED color temperature to meet the ZEISS style's color signs. The Pixel being the 50-megapixel primary cameras can capture a lossless 2x zoom and a decent 5x digital zoom. It may not have a dedicated portrait cameras, but with the ZEISS Optics lens paired with 7 ZEISS styles portrait options, you can shoot pretty nice portrait with a bokeh-licious backgrounds and lighting effects. There are many smartphones offering autofocus for its ultra-wide cameras, and the Vivo V40 comes with it. One of the advantages is to keep objects in focus even in close-up shooting. The 50-megapixel front selfie cameras with autofocus also get the taste of the ZEISS style portrait option. In addition to that, there are also selfie focus features you can use to capture the best portraits like beauty, makeup, and even posture. It doesn't stop there. You can further fix or beautify the portraits after taking these shots. This reminds me of Meitu, a company that not only makes apps that beautify your selfie, but even comes out with a few models of smartphones, which every girl back then would like to have one. As like any other heavily enhanced portraits, it looks sharp and good until you zoom in, and you will notice a lot of artificial enhancement like soft edges and noises. How about casual photo taking? Overall, the camera's performance is decent. The shutter is snappy and can handle low light shooting with decent noise control. It has all the camera's modes you would need, including supermoon, astrophotography, food, panel, documents, and many more. The Vivo V40 can record videos at 4K at 30 frames per second on both front and rear cameras. There's also a ZEISS cinematic portrait video options, but it is limited to Full HD at 24 frames per second. Coming to performance, the Vivo V40 is powered by Qualcomm 4nm mid-range chip, the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. Paired with 12GB of LPDDR4 RAM and support 12GB of extended RAM from the storage space, making it a total of 24GB of memory. Given two storage options, 256GB and 512GB of UFS 2.2 storage. It performs similar or on par with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, but is way more power efficient. The last Vivo smartphone I reviewed, I did complaints about its bloatware, and there aren't any improvements here. There are just a lot of unwanted apps pre-installed. And yes, I can uninstall it manually, but hey, who like to move into a messy new house? The Vivo V40 runs on FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14, and the company promises 3 years OS upgrade and 4 years of security update. Battery-wise, the Vivo V40 gets a battery capacity boost to 5500 mAh and support 80W Vivo Flash Charge. Based on the PC Mark test, it delivers an impressive 21 hours plus. Although it didn't carry the Pro tag, you won't feel a huge shortfall, especially it offers a brilliant display, ZEISS Optic cameras, decent performance, and great battery life. That's all from me on the Vivo V40. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.